cook simple saute mixed vegetables. So first we put this garlics and then onions. And this one I have to mix vegetables, carrots. This is radish, tubers of radish and tubers of carrots and cabbage. And yesterday I make fried chicken, so I put this one flake chicken. I put 1 piece flake fried chicken. Now we can know this fried chicken, flake fried chicken. And it's like Filipino style recipe. No need to put masala, this turmeric powder, chili powder. Just I put salt and soy sauce. Now we can put now this tubers of, this is organic, tubers of radish, and this one, this is not organic, and this is not organic also. I buy from bazaar because I have extra, and this 1 week ago, so better I will cook now. And today is 7th days of Ramadan fasting, and today is February 25, and today is Wednesday. Now we'll put now together these tubers of radish and carrots, because this chicken, flake chicken, is already cooked. Now we can add now these slices of cabbage. Now we'll cover it. Now let's check. Simple dish but yummy and healthy, because vegetables, I like vegetables. Now we can add now salt and soy sauce. Oh, no more soy sauce I have. Must have to buy again. Yan. Ay, hindi ko na-slice ito. Buo. Not no problem. So this is already cooked. I like half cooked, not overcooked. But I cannot taste because I'm fasting. So when there is open fasting, I can taste this one. If no enough salt, then I can add more salt. I put more some gravy para may sabaw-sabaw. So we have to cover it and we have to turn off now the flame.